Hey guys, welcome back to Elvis Car Reviews. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, we are checking out a 2021 Ram TRX. So this is it, guys, the 2021 TRX, Ram TRX. You're not allowed to say Dodge Ram anymore because this is a Ram 2021 Ram TRX. Beautiful color combination, white on black. This car is huge. This is actually my first time seeing a TRX this close. I've seen it race a couple times, but never really been this close from a TRX. This car is just massive. Powering this beast is a 6.2 liter V8 supercharged. If you're a Dodge fan, you're pretty much familiar with the beast that live underneath it. So this TRX comes standard with a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 making 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. But this car isn't stock. It has a tune and an aftermarket intake. This is the biggest cold air intake I've ever seen. In a few minutes, we're going to talk to the owner of this vehicle and he's going to tell us what's done to this TRX. We are 1800 RPM right now, so
here we go.
Shit! Holy cow! That's impressive. That's impressive. So this is Russ, the owner of this beautiful beast. So Russ, how long you've had your TRX for?
I've had it for 2 years.
2 years? How do you like it?
I love it.
You love the performance and everything about it?
I love everything about the truck, yeah. It's a dream truck.
So you said you made a few modifications to the car?
I did. I did pull a S&B cold air intake on it and a rip-a-tuned lower pulley, which gave me 2 pounds of boost.
Do you know how much horsepower it's supposed to?
2 pounds of boost, maybe 50 horsepower. I felt something with the lower pulley, but I didn't feel much with the cold air intake.
Oh, okay. But I mean, have you taken the car to the track stock?
No.
No? Okay, so...
but I've seen other ones run stock.
Like 8 seconds, 8 mile?
8.1.
8.1, okay. And what's been your fastest time so far? With
769.
769. That's impressive for a
Very
big truck like this.
It'll run 770s consistently, 771, right on the money almost every time.
Wow.
No wheel spin whatsoever.
Yeah, because all-wheel drive, yeah, that's pretty cool. I've seen a few videos of people doing a burnout with this, but I don't know how they're able to do that though.
There is no two-wheel drive mode.
Exactly. So
right.
That was maybe they disconnected.
They can pull the drive shift. Maybe, yeah. I know when they dyno them, they have to pull the drive shift out of them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, to get the accurate. Yeah. What's your favorite part about owning this?
Probably the engine.
The engine.
Yeah.
Okay. Why not get like a Hellcat though, like a regular Challenger or Charger Hellcat?
Yeah. Everybody's got those.
True. That's true. What about the Hellcat Durango? You didn't consider that?
If I was a younger guy with 6 kids, maybe I would do that. This is more of a toy.
True. I'm gonna just take a look at the inside of your truck here. This thing is really massive. The technology is very on point too. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, right? Like you can just plug in your iPhone and all the information goes in. Yeah. Wow, that's really nice. And it has leather, right?
It is leather, yes.
So you put the seat cover to...
Yeah, since I'm a working man, I do have to put seat covers on it.
So is this like your work truck?
It was my work truck. I just did get a Chevy half-ton, which I'll use more now for work.
Nice.
But no winter. I'm not going to drive it through the winter. It's not going in the mud.
And all these... Yeah, this is factory because I see TRX on it. This thing is pretty impressive. Pretty impressive.
They did a great job. Stuffing a giant engine in a pickup truck.
Exactly. Without it is impressive. I'm still baffled by this car. How 6,600 pounds is able to go to the 8 at 7.6. It's that's the exact same time that the C8 Corvette run last time we went at the track.
With about 3,000 less pounds.
With about 3,000 less pounds, yeah. And that's a stock exhaust?
Stock exhaust. Untouched.
That's incredible.
The TRX is king.
Yeah.
And I'm not hating on Fords. Fords are good trucks, no doubt. But I think Ram just did one ahead of them.
So would you ever trade these for a Raptor?
No,
even the Raptor R?
No.
Okay. Backup camera is pretty clear. I mean, the technology on this car is incredible. Okay, we are 1800 RPM right now, so
okay, here we go.
Shit! Holy cow! That's
impressive.
That's impressive.
Are you ready?
Yes. Jeez. Wow. This thing is impressive.
Little wheel spin on that one.
Yeah, I felt that.
I heard the front tire grab.
Wow. This thing is impressive. This thing is really...
Would you like to try it?
Yeah. Yeah, thanks. Okay, so I'm driving the TRX now. You're showing in the frame, right? Okay, good. Wow.
I don't see your face, barely see your face.
Oh, okay. And it's impressive how easy is it to drive.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
When you're on the wheel, you don't feel the difference. Like, it's so smooth, it drives like a normal vehicle. This is my first time ever driving a TRX. Thanks to Russ. Thank you very much, man.
You're welcome, anytime.
Wow.
If you want to do a launch, you let me know.
Yes.
Let's get past these houses, though.
Okay.
We don't want to tick anybody off. I would say at the top of that crest, that's a good spot.
Okay. So we're gonna keep it at 2000 RPM.
You can activate launch control.
Activate launch control.
Hold the brake hard.
Okay.
Floor, all the way to the floor. Let it go.
This is impressive. Like the amount of torque. I gotta screw up there because I hold it too long.
Yeah.
And it deactivated the launch, but even just brake and floor it. This thing is impressive. Do you use the paddle shifter much or not?
I don't. No.
You don't? Okay. You never tried?
I do. I play with it once in a while. But
how reactive it is?
It's not real quick, so it's not like you can bring it right to red line and shift.
Oh, okay.
You have to hit it before.
Before and then have it. Okay. Interesting. Wow. It's impressive how, like, I thought I would feel the weight of the car in the steering wheel, but I don't.
You
like,
don't.
It's, like driving a regular SUV, like it's or
brakes,
regular pickup.
Yeah. The brakes are a little borderline. They could use a better brake.
Yeah.
You want to launch her again?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do you want me to put the camera?
Like on the tachometer.
Okay.
This time I'm gonna try.
So you got to go right. So brake right to the floor all the way. Don't go slow.
Okay.
And then let go of the brake when you're ready.
Okay.
Okay. So activate launch control.
Activate launch control. Brake to the floor. Floor it.
There you go. There you go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's awesome. That's awesome. Wow. I'm impressed by this truck. I'm really
I am
impressed.
too. They did a great job.
They really did a great job. Have you test driven a Raptor before?
I've driven a Raptor, but not a Raptor R.
No, the Raptor R, okay.
And they're a good truck. They're a great truck. But I think they one-upped them with the V8.
Yeah, oh yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are stopping by for the first time, do not forget to subscribe.